Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this Canon PIXMA. The colors don't come out at all, and also black is fainting, cutting pages, cutting words and all that. So we're going to make a color now. One copy, say okay. So it's going to make a copy. Let's see. We're going to print this and also fix, then we'll show you how it went. You can see, yeah, okay, well, that's good. So guys, you're gonna judge yourself. This is what we tried to print, and can you see colors don't come out at all? See this logo? You can see this doesn't come out. And also black somehow, somewhere. Words are not clear in some places, so you can see. So we're gonna make another, we're gonna fix, then we make the copy. And you see, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some cleaning. Okay, so what we do, we're gonna go to this. Okay, when you press it, then you go to find maintenance mode, then you click OK. Don't go to Nozzle, then you go to deep cleaning, first clean with deep cleaning. Okay, let's see. Deep cleaning takes time. So I wanna. Oh, it says printer error. We got a new error. So this is 5.2. Printer error 5.2. Whatever. Sometimes when that comes, you can switch off your machine. Switch it off and on. Okay, let me switch it off and on. You might face that. I know. Sometimes it takes time. Okay, then I'm gonna switch it on back. Okay. Okay, then we click back and go to maintenance mode, say okay. Let's go to deep cleaning first, say okay. Let the machine clean, and you see. Give me that also. So let's find this. Then we have to first fix that 5200. Let me look at 5200. Let me see. Yeah, there is sometimes many ways to fix that error code, but let's go here first. We try okay, maintenance, say okay, then ink flash. Okay, ink flash, then you say okay. After doing that, say okay. Then you say all colors, you say okay. All colors, yes. So it takes almost about 8 minutes, so let's do that and wait for that. So remember, we just got into this issue while we're fixing another issue, so this one's gonna be also fixed. Okay, we are done with the ink flash. Let's do this what we were doing before: button cleaning, roller cleaning, print alignment, head alignment, deep cleaning. We've been trying to do deep cleaning. We're gonna do deep cleaning. Okay, that also takes some time, so let's do deep cleaning, then we see what it's gonna give us. So I don't want to take a lot of your time. I wanna pause the video, then I'll come back after. Well, I'm done with the cleaning. So let me see what it takes us to. I'm gonna say copy. I'm gonna make, no, this is scan, copy. Okay, copy mode, say okay 1, then we're gonna see color. Let's see how it's gonna do, what it's gonna give us. Okay. Okay. Choose the paper, which is okay. Let's see what it's gonna give us. Wow, the colors came out, guys. You see now. Wow, this is super fine, guys. Yes, now compare this to this. So we're done with that. So that's the way to fix this. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.